GCSE question of the week, week 11. 100 students had some homework. 42 of these students are boys. 8 of the 100 students did not do their homework. 53 of the girls did do their homework. Use this information to complete the frequency tree. So we've got a frequency tree. This is not a probability tree. We're just literally going to show the frequencies, the numbers that occur in each case. So let's look at our information. We've got 100 students had some homework, and it looks like they've filled that in for us already. 100 students. 42 of these students are boys. Okay, well, we've got boys here, so it looks like I can straight away fill in that number, that frequency. 42 boys, 42 are boys, sorry. Okay, so we can now fill in the girls' number. We've got 100 students in total, 42 are boys. So if we do 100, subtract 42, I think we get 58. So 58 girls. Okay, so we've got 2 boxes filled in. 8 of the 100 students did not do their homework. Well, we might need to come back to that one in a minute. 53 of the girls did do their homework. So we've got to find girls, that's here. And 53 of those girls did do their homework. So careful we get the right box. 53 did. And 58 girls in total. Subtract 53. That means that 5 girls did not do their homework. So, girls, no homework. Okay, so we get in there. Then we can go back to this fact. 8 of the 100 students did not do their homework. Well, we already know that 5 girls did not do their homework. And if 8 of the 100 students did not do their homework, that means 3 boys did not do their homework. We can place that one. And 42 boys... 42 boys in total, we subtract 3, that gives us 39. Excellent. Thank you, Microsoft. 42 subtract 3 gives us 39 boys that did do their homework. Okay, right, might be worth just checking our addition. We've got 39 plus 3, that makes 42. We've got 53 plus 5, that makes 58. 58 plus 42 gives me 100. Looks good. So part B, work out the probability that this girl did not do her homework. Oh, one of the girls, this is essential. One of the girls is chosen at random. So we do not choose a person at random. We choose one of the girls at random, and there are 58 girls. Work out the probability that this girl did not do her homework. Well, the girls that did not do their homework, the number of girls, the frequency of girls that did not do their homework was 5. So we need 5 out of 58. So our answer is 5/58. Okay, now the higher question. Looks like it's circle theorems. A, B, C and D are 4 points on the circumference of a circle. A, E, C, that's here, and B, E, D, that's here, are straight lines. Looks obvious, but they may not be. Prove that triangle A, B, E, well, that's this triangle, A, B, E, and triangle D, C, E, that's this triangle, are similar. You must give reasons for each stage of your working as usual. Okay, so this is a similarity or similarity of triangles question. So hopefully you're thinking, how can I prove similarity? Well, I can prove similarity if the 3 sides are proportional for each triangle, if the 3 angles are identical, or if we have 2 proportional sides with an equivalent angle enclosed between them. Okay, so I have no sides labelled on this diagram. There's no obvious way to find any. So I'm thinking probably those 2 are out. So I'm hoping this is my angle proof. Okay, so let's just choose a different colour for a second. Right, hopefully it should be reasonably obvious straight away that these 2 angles, one in each of those triangles, are equal. So we could say that angle, we'll use that for my angle symbol, angle AEB is equal to angle DEC, or CED, whichever you like, let's put CED, angle CED, those 2 are equal. And why are they equal? They're equal because they are vertically opposite angles. So remember, we need to tell the examiner why for every step we do. So angle AEB equals angle CED because vertically opposite. And we don't have to write lots and lots here. It doesn't have to be grammatically correct. We can put a little because. I'll use those little 3 dots. Because vertically opposite. Okay, so now what? Well, now we need our circle theorems. If we take this chord, the chord AD, we notice that from that chord we've got angle ABD, and from that same chord we've got angle ACD. So I'm talking about these 2 angles here, and these 2 angles are equivalent, and they're equivalent because of one of our circle theorems. They're equivalent because angles in the alternate segment are equal if they're drawn from the same chord, and clearly those 2 are. We can say that angle ABD is equal to angle ACD because angles how strange. Angles, because angles in the same segment are equal. So given 2 reasons. Now if we take the chord BC instead, let's just choose a new colour. We choose the chord BC instead, we can do exactly the same line of reasoning from that chord, and this time we'll draw angle BAC, which is over here, and we'll draw from that same chord BC the angle BDC. And therefore, by the same reasoning, we can say that angle, BAC is equal to angle BDC, so C, because, same as above, angles in same segment equal. So we've proved that all 3 angles are equal in both triangles, so I think we're done. So we could say, therefore, and that's one of those, this way up, therefore A, B, E and D, C, E are similar. And again, it doesn't need to be lovely prose, correct English. A, B, E and D, C, E similar because angle, angle, angle. And we're done.